If you are unfamiliar, this little lady's name is Elsie. She's a worthless layabout that lives in my apartment, mooches off of me for free rent and free food, and in return, she sleeps in my bed all day. Hey, hey you. Can't you see it's sunny and beautiful outside? Why don't you go for a run or get a job? Huh. Looks like you're finally up. Ready to seize the day, take on it. Oh. You lazy asshole.